Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use iLovePDF on mobile. So let's get started. Now the iLovePDF's mobile app allows you to manage PDF files from anywhere. You can merge PDFs, split documents, compress files, convert formats, and even scan documents. And also sign PDFs directly from your phone. So first, you're gonna download the iLovePDF app from your device app store, whether you're using your iOS device or your Android device. You're just gonna head to the store and look for the iLovePDF website or application, and then you're gonna download this. Make sure to download this one right here. Once you finish downloading it, you're gonna open it, and if you want, you can sign up. This is optional. And from here, you're gonna open the app and sign in if desired and allow the source permissions when prompted. And from the home screen, you're gonna see all the available PDF tools. Under the tools section, you're gonna see all the available tools. You have the merge PDF, the split PDF, the compress a PDF. You can convert a PDF to Word, to PowerPoint, to Excel, or you can do the contrary, convert a Word to PDF and the PowerPoint to PDF. You can sign even PDF, repair them, put your password on them, anything you want. You're just gonna click on the tool, and then you're gonna look for your PDF, the PDF you want to edit. For example, I'm gonna choose this one, and you're gonna click on next. You're gonna choose, for example, this merge tool allows you to merge two PDFs, so I'm gonna click on next. Then you're gonna click on merge PDFs. Now you have to be careful because some merging options require, or some tools require, the premium version. And that's it. That's how you use iLovePDF, the mobile version. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.